Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research for you. Large language models are great at solving complex problems, but to do so, they often need to think out loud in a process called chain of thought. It's like showing your work on a math problem. It helps the AI get the right answer. The downside is that this process is slow and generates a lot of text, which costs time and money. What if we could tell the AI to stop thinking at the exact right moment? This paper introduces a new method to do just that, called Leash, the Logit-Entropy adaptive stopping heuristic. So how does Leash work without any extra training? It's surprisingly simple. It watches two key signals inside the model as it generates each word. The first is entropy, which is basically a measure of the AI's uncertainty. The second is the logit margin, which measures how confident the AI is in its top choice for the next word. Leash waits for the moment when the AI stops getting less uncertain and stops becoming more confident. When both of these signals level off, or plateau, Leash determines the model has finished its core reasoning. It then halts the process and prompts for a final, concise answer. But does this actually make a difference? The results in Table 2 are pretty clear. Across several different models and tasks, Leash reduced the number of generated tokens by about 30 to 35%. It also cut down the end-to-end latency, or waiting time, by around 27%. Now, you might be wondering about the accuracy. As seen in Table 1, there is a trade-off. Accuracy drops by about 10 percentage points compared to letting the model think for as long as it wants. However, and this is the crucial part, Leash is still substantially more accurate than not using chain of thought at all. In some cases, it's over 6 times better than the direct answer approach, hitting a sweet spot between speed and quality. So, let's quickly recap what this all means. The researchers developed Leash, a simple, drop-in method to make AI reasoning more efficient. It works by monitoring the AI's internal state of thought to know precisely when to stop. This results in significant savings in computation and time, with a manageable trade-off in accuracy. What could this mean for the future? This technique could make powerful AI assistants on our phones and computers much faster and more responsive. By lowering the cost of complex reasoning, innovations like Leash make advanced AI more practical and accessible for everyday use. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.